Today, we embark on an incredible journey to explore one of the most fascinating celestial bodies in our solar system. Saturn, the ringed planet. Known for its breathtaking rings, Saturn has captivated astronomers and space enthusiasts for centuries. But there's so much more to this gas giant than meets the eye. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun, and the second largest planet in our solar system. Adorned with a dazzling system of icy rings, Saturn is truly unique. While other gas giants like Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune also have rings, Saturn's are particularly prominent, earning it the nickname, the ringed planet. Like its fellow gas giant Jupiter, Saturn is a massive sphere, composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. Known since ancient times, Saturn is the farthest planet visible to the unaided human eye. It's named after the Roman god of agriculture and wealth, who was also the father of Jupiter. Let's have a look at this fact sheet. Saturn is approximately 1.4 billion kilometers away from the Sun. It has the second shortest day in our solar system. In fact, one day on Saturn takes only 10.7 hours. Its axis is tilted by 26.73 degrees with respect to its orbit around the Sun, which is similar to Earth's 23.5-degree tilt. This means that, like Earth, Saturn experiences seasons. Physically, Saturn boasts a diameter of about 120,000 kilometers at the equator. It has a mass 95 times that of Earth, and yet a density of only 0.687 grams per cc, which is less than that of water. So, if you could find a bathtub big enough to fit the gas giant, Saturn would float. Saturn's atmosphere is primarily composed of 75% hydrogen and 25% helium, with traces of methane and water ice. Known as one of the windiest places in the solar system, Saturn's wind speeds reach a staggering 1,800 km per hour at the equator. There are three regions in Saturn's troposphere, where clouds of a particular kind, or cloud decks, are found. The top visible cloud deck, made of ammonia clouds, is located about 100 km below the tropopause, with temperatures around -250 degrees Celsius. The second deck is composed of ammonium hydrosulfide clouds, where the temperature is -70 degrees Celsius. The lowest deck consists of water clouds, located 130 km below the tropopause, at around 0 degrees Celsius. The hydrogen gas, that makes up most of the atmosphere, slowly changes to liquid with depth, as the pressure increases. Below the liquid hydrogen, the heavier liquid helium can be found. Within the core of Saturn, hydrogen experiences immense pressure, and is converted into liquid metallic hydrogen. It is believed that, at the center lies a rocky core, with a mass approximately 10 times that of Earth. Saturn really stands out among the planets, and not just because of its glorious system of rings. Its magnetic field is also peculiar. Unlike other planets, with their off-axis fields, Saturn's magnetic field is almost perfectly symmetrical around its rotational axis. It is 578 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. This magnetic field is generated by the movement of metallic hydrogen within the planet. Like Earth, Saturn's magnetic field has a dipolar structure, featuring both north and south magnetic poles. Saturn's magnetosphere is a vast cavity, formed by the planet's magnetic field, pushing against the solar wind. Discovered in 1979 by the Pioneer 11 spacecraft, Saturn's magnetosphere is the second largest in our solar system, following Jupiter's. Saturn's rings are among the most iconic and visually stunning features of the solar system. Composed of countless small particles of ice and rock, ranging from microscopic dust grains to boulders, these rings form an extensive, flat disk around the planet. The rings are divided into 7 main sections, named alphabetically by their discovery. The A and B rings are the most prominent, separated by the Cassini division, a gap created by gravitational interactions with Saturn's moons. The intricate structure of these rings is maintained by gravitational forces, including those from Saturn's Shepherd moons, which confine the ring particles and shape the edges. Saturn is home to 146 known moons. The most famous of these is Titan, the second largest moon in our solar system, after Jupiter's Ganymede. Titan has a dense atmosphere, primarily composed of nitrogen and methane. The moons of Saturn are numerous and diverse, ranging from tiny moonlets, only tens of meters across, to the enormous Titan, which is larger than the planet Mercury. Each of Saturn's moons reveals a unique chapter in the story of the Saturn system. The exploration of Saturn began with Pioneer 11 in 1979, providing the first close-up images of the planet. Voyager 1 and 2, during the 1980s, delivered detailed images and data on Saturn's atmosphere, rings, and moons. The Cassini-Huygens mission offered an extensive study of Saturn. The Cassini orbiter revolutionized our understanding, while the Huygens probe landed on Titan, sending back direct data from its surface. Yet, much remains to be discovered. As we continue to explore, Saturn stands as a beacon, inviting us to look deeper into the cosmos and uncover the secrets of our solar system.